So you want to install Arch Linux. Well, first go to archlinux.org. Click on download on the top right hand corner, then find the link titled Arch HTTPS Mirrors. Scroll down to where it says worldwide and click the first link. It takes you to a list of files. And here you want to click the first one that ends with .iso. Next, go to rufus.ie. Hit the download button at the top and click the first exe link. And once it's done downloading, run the program. Next, grab your USB flash drive and plug it into your computer. Your USB drive should now show up as the Rufus device. For boot selection, select the Arch Linux ISO that you downloaded earlier. Leave everything else as is and hit start. Wait for the bottom to turn green and say ready. Then turn off your computer and then turn it back on again. And while it's turning on, hold down the BIOS key. Every computer manufacturer uses a different key on the keyboard, so just look up what your BIOS key is. Mine is F10 and I'm using an HP. Once you're in the BIOS settings, you want to find something that says secure boot. It's different for every computer, but for me, it was under the security tab. You want to make sure you turn that secure boot off. Then you want to find the boot order, which for me was under the advanced tab. Here you want to move your USB flash drive to be the first one in the boot order. Then make sure to save your settings and exit the BIOS. Your computer will now boot into Arch Linux. But you're not done because you still have to install it onto your hard drive. When you see this screen, hit enter. Then type IWCTL in the terminal. This will allow us to connect to the internet. Device list. Then type station, the name of your device, which in my case is WLAN 0, scan. Then station WLAN 0, get networks. You should see your Wi-Fi network pop up. So then type in station WLAN 0 connect and the name of your Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password and now you're online. Now for the final step, type Arch install. Here you can select your language, your time zone, and a bunch of other stuff. You should go through this and set your own settings. But what you absolutely need to do is go to disk configuration, partitioning, and choose use best effort partitioning. Keep in mind that this will delete Windows completely. If you want to keep Windows, you're going to have to do a manual partition, which this tutorial does not cover. In this next screen, choose your SSD or hard drive. Choose BTRFS for your file system, use compression, and your partitioning is done. Now we just have to make our user. So let's go over to authentication. Choose user account, add a user, then choose a username and create a password. Make sure your user is a sudoer. Then once all the settings are up to your liking, hit install. It'll do its thing for a while, wait for it to finish, and then you'll be taken to this screen. Hit reboot system and then wait a second and you can unplug your USB drive and it'll take you into your brand new Arch Linux setup.